Hello everyone, as you can see, I've received my third holiday edition trooper. This time it was from Target. I was actually really surprised that I was able to get it. I was not able to pre-order him. However, on Sunday morning I saw that he was actually in stock at my local Target, but I was also able to order him as well. So I went ahead and just ordered him rather than stopping by my Target. So that is how I got my Range Trooper, and he is actually still available on Target.com at the time of this filming. As you may know, there are actually 5 total troopers. I've got 3 of them in front of me. I've got the clone trooper right there. That is from GameStop. We have an Imperial Stormtrooper from Amazon, which I have not yet received. We have our Sith Trooper right here, which is a Best Buy exclusive. And then we've got the Range Trooper, as you can see, which of course is the Target exclusive. And then we have the Snow Trooper from Walmart. So we're waiting for that as well. So today, what we're going to do, though, is we're going to go ahead and unbox the Range Trooper. The first thing we're going to do is take a look at the outside of the box. We're going to go ahead and unbox him, go ahead and take a look at his articulation. And then from there, what we'll do is take some pictures, kind of compare them, talk about things that we like and what we don't like about the figure, and we'll wrap up from there. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Range Trooper Holiday Edition. All right, so as you can see, we've got our Range Trooper here. I guess the Range Trooper is going to be Santa this year. And we've got Dio dressed up as Rudolph. So it'd be kind of cool to take a closer look at him. I've been really impressed with these, the little figures that have been coming with him. And then we've got like this swordish weapon here as well, which I'm looking forward to taking a closer look at. And then we've got the same design that we've got in all the other Holiday Edition troopers. Then on the back, we've got celebrate this season with specially designed Star Wars figures from the Black Series, which all of them say. I wish they would, actually say something that's a little bit specific to each figure, maybe be a little bit creative, about Range Trooper Santa or something like that, but I don't know. Anyways, so let's go ahead and unbox the trooper here. And as we always do on the channel, we're going to go from the bottom here, just because we have less tape and it's just easier to take out. All right, so we've got our, don't need that. First thing, we've got our sword. That's interesting. I don't know if it's a sword or what exactly it is, but we'll take a closer look at that. Yeah, we've got Dio here, which I don't know how we're gonna get to stand up, but good luck on that. And then we've got the hefty trooper. He's got some weight. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, and then we'll take a look at his articulation. All right, so let's first take a look at the weapon here. It's definitely a blade of some sort. But yeah, I'm not exactly sure. I think he'll probably hold it like a sword. I think that's the coolest thing, or maybe like a Sith. I don't know. And then we've got Dio down here. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at him. I went ahead and put some museum putty on him just so that I was able to get him to stand up. Basically, let's see here. Get him in focus. There we go. I just couldn't get him to stand up here as I was cleaning everything up. The wheels turn, the wheel turns, I should say. His head has some decent articulation. Focus. There we go. Good articulation. So he was able to turn all the way around. A little bit of an up and down movement. So that's really him. He's pretty cool. He's definitely got the Rudolph look going on there. Yeah, so in order to get him to stay in one spot, I'm kind of cheating a little bit, putting some museum putty behind there, and then also put it right on the bottom there. That way we don't have any problems with him falling over. So pretty cool. He's able to stand up. I'll definitely spend a little bit more time on, using a little bit less putty. That way we can find out what the magic consistency is to get Dio to stand up there. And then the star of the show, the Range Trooper. And if you've got the Range Trooper from previous Black Series figures, it's going to be very similar, but different at the same time. So let's go ahead and take a look at his head. So his head is able to go down just a little bit and up just a little bit as well. A little bit side to side. You're not really going to get full motion because of the shoulder pads, which apparently look like they might come off. I'm not going to mess with them too much just because I kind of want to keep them in place here. The arms do go all the way up, which is awesome. And as I'm going through here, if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up as well. So as far as the arm is concerned, he is able to do a full 90, which is good. And at the shoulder, he's able to do all the way around, but he is going to be a little bit limited by the shoulder as well. As far as the wrist is concerned, I can't really tell what he's going to be able to do with that coat. He is kind of limited on that. But yeah, he's definitely able to get the full 90 on both, which is awesome. At the body, he is able to get a little bit of twist in. He's able to do the full 360. I don't know if you'd want to do that, but he can. And then he's got his belt. And then we've got the jacket skirt piece here. It is not cloth. It is definitely a molded plastic, which is nice. I think they did a really good job on that look. But it is attached on the back, if you can see here. So just be careful on that. On the knee, that's about as far as it's going to go. It's kind of limited. But, you know, with a Range Trooper, I don't think you're going to get him doing too much. You could probably get him to sit up. Maybe. Maybe. I don't know about that. But possibly. And then, which I think is really awesome, you got his boots here. They're able to get some really good motion. And I like the way that it pulls here. So, yeah. All right. And so he is definitely heavier than a lot of the other figures as well. So you're not going to have any problems getting him to stand up. You're not going to need to use museum putty or put him on any pegs or anything like that. So super happy with that. So let's go ahead and take some pictures. Again, while we're going through here, if you have questions, feel free to ask down below. And I'll be right back. All right, so there you go. We took some pictures, got to see his articulation. I think I actually have him holding the blade correctly this time. I'm sure I will hear from you guys down below if I am not. So yeah, this series of 5 troopers is definitely starting to grow on me. I wasn't sure with the first one with the holiday sweater. But yeah, I mean, I especially like the little guys. I think they help really make it with everything they're doing. So I'll go ahead and leave links down below so you can definitely take a closer look at these at the other figures. And if you have any questions about the Range Trooper here, I mean, the fact that he's dressed like Santa, I think, is really awesome. So, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. I'd be happy to answer them for you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in Star Wars or Star Wars The Black Series, I definitely invite you to subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of things on the channel related to Star Wars, but we also do some other things as well, like go to theme parks, play video games, and we just got the Oculus Quest and Quest 2 in recently. I've been playing around with uploading videos from that. Definitely have some sound sync things, but anyways, we do things like that as well. So if you're interested in anything that a professional geek might find interesting, I do invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.